Here's a business task. Using electronic signatures. It's still like an issue with some home inspectors and some businesses about whether you can send a document by text or email or something and have somebody sign it or agree by email to a service or something like that. So we wrote some tips on learning how to use electronic signatures on home inspection agreements. Using electronic signatures makes it very easy for your clients to agree to the terms and conditions of your inspection service. So remember, use InternetSheet's free online agreement system that can be customized and also managed. You can send an agreement and they can sign with their finger right on any device, and you can manage that. So if you click the link right there, we talk about, this is a brief overview of the law regarding electronic signatures and some helpful tips to inspectors who rely on them. And our agreement system is free, online, and a signable agreement system.